Hi everyone, welcome to lecture 3 of unit 5 on index numbers. I am Dr. Kavitha. In this session we will discuss the different types of index numbers and understand the role each plays in economic and statistical analysis. Learning objective: understand the classification of index number, explore price, quantity and value indices. Learn about specific indices like CPI and WPI. By the end of this session, you will be able to classify index numbers into major types, understand their construction and purpose, and identify popular examples like CPI and WPI. So, next, main categories: price index number, quantity index number, value index number. Index number can be broadly categorized into three types: price index number, quantity index number and value index number. Each of these serves a unique function in measuring economic trends. Next one, the price index number. Measure changes in price levels over time. For example, CPI and WPI. Price index numbers measure the relative changes in prices of goods and services over time. Well-known examples include the customer price index, which reflects retail prices, and the wholesale price index, which tracks prices at the wholesale level. Okay, so next one, quantity index number. Measure changes in quantities produced or consumed. Example is index of industrial production. Quantity index number track changes in the volume or quantity of goods produced or consumed. A common example in the index of industrial production, which measures industrial output over time. Okay. So the next one, value index number. Reflect combining changes in price and quantity. P into Q. P means price, Q means quantity. For example, total sales value index. Value index number consider both price and quantity changes. They are calculated by multiplying the price and quantity for different items and comparing the totals across time. For instance, total sales value across years can be studied using a value index. Okay, so the next one, specialized indices. What are the specialized indices? Consumer price index CPI, wholesale price index WPI, agricultural price index, cost of living index. There are several specialized indices based on specific needs. The CPI and WPI are price based indices, while the agricultural price index focuses on farm products. The cost of living index is often used for salary and wage adjustments. Okay, so let's recap. To summarize, price, quantity and value index numbers serve different purposes in tracking economic activities. Knowing the right index of use in a specific context is critical for sound analysis. Price index measures price changes. Quantity index tracks quantity variation. Value index measures combined price quantity F. Okay. So now thank you for participating in this session on the types of index numbers. In the next lecture, we will learn how these indices are constructed using various methods and statistical formulas. Okay, then see you. Bye.